steel, pharma, textile. Different industries, unique challenges. Decisions happen too late. Meet Enjen AI, world's first AI-enabled ERP built for manufacturing operations. Track every coil through processing with real-time control. Manage material-to-batch workflows with clarity. Manage BOM, lots, and job work without chaos. Better planning and real-time control. Forecasting and auto-replenishment. Unified workflows and visibility. Productivity boost across roles. Reduce chaos. Improve output. Decide with clarity. Choose Enjen AI. Enjen AI. Intelligence simplified.